Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to see about the this pointers and the member variables, right? Suppose there is a scenario like I have created a class with name test class, and there are two variables with name I and j, right? I have created a two argument constructor here, and this two argument constructor for this class, you know that the name of the constructor is same as the class, so the constructor name is test class as well. And this constructor is taking two arguments. One is I and the one is j, right? So int I, int j, and here also we have int I and int j, right? So if this kind of situation arises, then how you will decide that which I will be assigned to this? If I do something like this, I is equal to I, then what will happen? How the system knows, how the compiler knows that this I will be assigned to this I, how it should know, right? So let me write like j is equal to j, and let us try to compile it if it compiles. Okay, so this has been compiled, and here I'm printing, right? Test1. So t dot test1. So let us see if it is able to print the values. Okay, so here you can see the values of I and j has been printed as a garbage values. We pass like I and j, right? Because this I is equal to I, this is nothing, right? So I and j, this basically I is equal to I, this I has been assigned to itself. This j has been assigned to itself, right? So if you print here the I and j values, cout endl, if you print I and then slash t, and then if you print j, and inside the class it should have been done. So let me comment it so that test fun, not comment it, basically comment this so that I don't call the test fun. So let us see during the creation of the object what is printed. So the I and j values will be printed correctly, right? 10 and 20, but these 10 and 20, how they will know that I need to assign to this? So the answer is very simple. You know that every class, every object has this pointer, right? This pointer is always there inside the class, right? Inside for the object, available for the object inside the class, you can access it, right? So this to I is equal to I and this to j is equal to j. So if there is any such situation where keeping the name of the variable same is required to, keep the readability of the code intact, in that case, you can use this thing. You can have the same name for the, variables and the member variables, right? So you just need to remember that you need to use the this pointer to access the variable is specific to the class, which is the member variable. Okay, so this is how it can be done. Now let us run these two, and uh, you know when the constructor will be created, at that time as well we will be able to see 10 and 20, and after that as well we will be able to see 10 and 20, because from the test fun, the I and j will be printed from for this particular object, right? The I and j values for this particular class, right? And here inside this test class we have printed whatever was passed. Okay, so this is how it is working, right? So I hope you might have understood the concept, like if there are same name of the variables which have been passed to the argument, to the constructor or the any of the functions, and the same name variable also exist in the inside the class, just to maintain the readability of the program. If someone has done that, then in that case just need to remember that this pointer comes to your help. So with this, I hope you might have understood everything that I tried to explain it to you in this video, and in the next video we will meet soon. Till then, have a nice day and bye bye.